Love free things. Got this old workbench. Today was trash day. And found this on the side of the road. It's beat up quite a bit. Rusted. The adjustments are pretty solidly froze up. Anyway, I'm going to do a little work on it. See what I can come up with. My wife saw it and informed me that she wants kind of a steampunk little dinette table out of it in the kitchen. So I will see what I come up with. Got a lot of paint to remove, a lot of sanding, a lot of rust. Yeah, it's beat up pretty good, but let's see what we can do. Don't have a clue if I am even in shot or not. But I think the first thing I'm going to do is start trying to get a lot of the gray paint that's flaking off of it. And we'll just go from there. See what we come up with. I know this looks really professional and everything. Have this wire hanging out of me. Oh well. I just don't want my beautiful hands to get too messed up. I just had my manicure. So let's see what we can do here. It's trying to come up. It is trying to come up. Now, does anybody see right in front of me? Yep, it's coming up. You know, I get absorbed in something and forget that I'm making this video for whoever wants to see it. And they probably don't want to see it. Just me not doing anything for 45 minutes or so. I forget from time to time what all I've shared with you about me. Strangely enough, maybe not strange at all, but it's coming up real nicely. Yeah, I guess one thing I could do is tell you some of my favorite YouTubes out there. I mean, I like the fact that so many millions of people worldwide are are making YouTube videos. I think it's a cool thing. And I wouldn't talk bad about any of them. I don't believe in doing that, because the good Lord knows they could surely pick me apart if somebody wanted to get into it. But let's see, who all do I like? I like, I believe the name of it is My Self Reliance. I think his name is Sean James, and he also has another channel by that name. I really admire his work ethic, and he gets an incredible amount of work done. It fascinates me all that he can get done. It's amazing. He his videos are beautiful. He really knows how to use the camera, and of course it's beautiful country up there anyway. But he does a great job of what he does, and his talents and abilities are really second to none. He's a very talented man, very talented man. I also like Life Uncontained. It's a cute, well, cute's not. It's a real nice channel about a young couple married. Well, if you're watching YouTube, you've seen Life Uncontained, but I like the fact that they have tackled a huge project, basically building their home out of shipping containers. They are very happy people, it seems to be, and funny people, it seems to me to be, and they just are a fascinating couple. And watching their little girl grow, and then having another one, I enjoy it. Let's see, gosh, there's many. Carlisle 195, I don't think he's posted lately. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, he's from England. He's just as he says, a guy a bloke or whatever that enjoys camping with sometimes just he and his dog, and sometimes with his buddies. But he's a cool guy. My hat's off to him for building the village. Let's go to the village. It's wow, some work went into that, didn't it? If you're familiar with his channel. Yeah. I like Roots and Refuge. Also the young couple that heavily into gardening and raising children, and they have recently moved, I think, to, I can't remember, South Carolina possibly, North Carolina maybe, but I like them. A Simple Life, about another young couple that are doing what they can and doing a great job of it up in Alaska. I mean, their day is structured from start to finish. They have a specific goal, and at least from the videos, it looks like that they make the most of their day. I like them a lot. Taco Stacks, young man who drives around picking garbage. He's a picker, and he's doing a good thing, recycling. Like him quite a bit. like a lot of the cooking shows, especially the guys that cook outside, I really like to watch sometimes some of the guys that do bushcraft and go camping and things. Matthew Posa, guy's a hoot. Seems to have a great sense of humor. And I'll tell you something, does the guy love his dogs? I mean, oh my gosh, it's amazing. These things are just, yep. It's amazing what he thinks of his critters. And look, y'all, there is lots and lots and lots of channels that I really like. I'll try to mention more of them from time to time, because sure don't want to leave anybody out that's working hard making a channel. I found out one thing. It's hard to make them, especially if you're so behind on technology as I am. But it's there's a lot of really good videos out there. And of course I watch all of them that are related to the Arkansas Razorback sports, Pig Trail Network Nation, Hog Sports South, a lot of good ones. Well, I am dilly-dallying around and not getting a lot accomplished because it's hard for me to concentrate while I'm visiting with you guys. So I will take my gloves off here and turn my phone off. Come back on at a later time. Okie dokie.